In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move any element anywhere in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just getting started, being able to rearrange elements effectively within your project is crucial for crafting designs that truly stand out. We'll begin our journey by opening the Navigator panel. This is an essential tool in Webflow, and you can access it quickly by pressing the letter Z on your keyboard. The Navigator panel is your map to the structure of your page, giving you an overview of all the elements and their hierarchy. It's a space where you can see all your layers, much like looking at the blueprint of your design. With the Navigator panel open, you have a bird's-eye view that helps you understand how different components are nested and organized within your project. Now that we have the Navigator open, let's move on to the fun part where we start adjusting the page structure by moving an element. It's as simple as clicking on the element in the Navigator that you want to move. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag the selected element to the desired new location within the hierarchy. As you do this, pay close attention to the blue line that appears between elements. This indicates where in the structure your element will be placed once you release the mouse button. This visual guide is incredibly helpful for ensuring precision when reordering elements. Remember, changing the element's placement in the Navigator also changes where it appears on your page layout. You aren't merely rearranging the view, but also altering the actual structure of your site. This is an important distinction to keep in mind, especially if you're new to web design or Webflow itself. Adjusting the hierarchy can significantly impact how your page functions and looks. One crucial tip when moving elements is to ensure you're maintaining a logical structure that enhances both the usability of your site and the overall design. A well-organized layout not only improves the visual appeal, but also makes it easier to manage your project in the long run. If you ever make a mistake, don't worry. Webflow has an easy undo feature that you can use to revert changes quickly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can move any element anywhere in Webflow effortlessly. With practice, rearranging elements will become second nature, and you'll have the freedom to create and innovate without being limited by your design's initial framework. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you harness the full potential of Webflow's design capabilities.